Well, we talked about the first name of these ionic compounds. What about the last name of these ionic compounds, the anion part? Well, if it's just one atom, then it takes on this form. Basically, you take the name of it'd be the nonmetal, right? And you kind of lop off the end and you replace whatever was on the end with the letters I, D, E. I'm going to kind of show you what that is. For instance, if table salt, what is the name of table salt? Well, it's sodium, and we talked about sodium's a 1A, so we don't need to use any Roman numerals. And the last name is chloride. Of course, that comes from chlorine. We kind of drop off the I-N-E and replace it with I-D-E. So we'll kind of take a quick look at our nonmetal possibilities. These are the monoatomic ions that would be formed from these nonmetals. So, of course, oxygen's a -2, and the name would be, that's an oxygen, it's oxide. Very good. Nitrogen would be nitride. And you're going to hear me kind of emphasize the "ide" because we have some other polyatomic ions that end in ITE. And I want to emphasize the D instead of a T. So it's IDE. So sulfur would be sulfide. Chlorine would be, like we know, sodium chloride. Hydrogen would be hydride. Bromine would be bromide. Phosphorus would be phosphide. Fluorine would be fluoride. Hey, we put that in toothpaste, don't we? Iodine would be iodide. Okay, so these are if this is your anion in your ionic compound, then the last name, this is the last names.